Chevy Malibu, and today we're gonna replace this mass airflow sensor. So if you guys having a code for a mass airflow sensor, this is turbo. If you're having a code for this MAF sensor, a lot of times I recommend you clean it before you swap it out. So you need a tool. This is a Torque T20, and you're gonna take out this screw. It's not ready to come out yet. Just don't drop it on the floor. Okay, made a small mistake. We're gonna go back a little bit. Let me tighten up my ratchet. What you want to do is, you see this red tab, you want to pull this red tab back, and then you should be able to squeeze the inside of this and disconnect this guy. That's how simple it is to disconnect this guy. And we're gonna take off this guy right here, and I'm gonna show you a part number in a minute. Let's put this on your safe. Your MAF sensor, just wiggle on it a bit. And okay, this one has 2 screws. Wow, usually it's 1. There's one more on the back end here, so take them both off. Okay, we got this guy loose, and the MAF sensor comes right out. So you want to pay attention to the seal. There's a seal here. Make sure that comes out, and make sure it's nice and clean where the seal is gonna sit. Nice and clean. And here's our new part number right here. Customer bought this from AutoZone, Duralast. That's the part number, and we do not have a price on it. All I did was rip the bag open. Try not to touch anything on the front end of this sensor. And you see how we took it off? We're gonna put it back in the same spot. It does come with a new seal, it's already there. So what you wanna do is make sure you slip it right in and make sure it sits flush, okay? It cannot lose any air. If it loses air, you're gonna have lean conditions. We're gonna take this little guy. We're gonna grab our second screw. We're gonna get that guy right in there. And once we have both, what you wanna do is we're gonna tighten this evenly, okay? Let me just get my ratchet to go. And you don't wanna tighten one all the way. You wanna snug it, so just give a small snug. And a small snug, and another small snug. So pretty much this sensor is gonna go in flush. And once it's nice and tight, you don't want to go crazy either. You don't want to rip the threading and the housing of this sensor. So this is all done. What you want to do is you want to take this connector. You want to, okay, don't push this in yet. It should click, small little click, and it should not come out. And then you lock it up. Bada bing, bada boom. That's how simple it is to change MAF sensor on this vehicle. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one.